Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies on a little brick restoration project. They're going to have their home repainted. So I came and checked out the home for hollow spots and areas where people have done repairs that didn't look too good. I'm going to touch those up. What's important with these is you've got to clean those joints out, the thickness of the brick all the way back. If you just take off a little bit of the front of the joints and tuck point them, they're just going to fail and you're going to have a bad job like this was. Looks good. You can follow this project from beginning to end. Videos on our website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on our YouTube link and you can watch close to 2,000 videos of our projects. Thanks for watching Jade Alpine, Little Brick Restoration Project. See you guys on the next one.